Hey creators, welcome back to BTech. What if I told you that swapping faces in photos could be done in just one click? And it looks so real, no one would ever guess it's AI. Higgsfield Face Swap, a next-level tool that takes your photo, merges it with a target image, and outputs a perfectly seamless photorealistic result. No filters, no presets, no messy editing. Just Hollywood-level deepfake quality, now available to everyone. The best part? Everything stays intact. The lighting, background, grain, and overall vibe of the original image. Your face fits perfectly, eyes align, hairlines clean, and skin textures look completely natural. It's like your photo was actually shot that way, not composited. And here's why it's a total game changer. Content creators can turn one photo shoot into dozens of thumbnails or campaign shots. Influencers and brand specialists can create multiple visual concepts from a single image in minutes. Meme creators and personal brand builders can experiment with looks and formats instantly, without extra shoots or software headaches. This is the kind of tool that used to cost studios thousands of dollars and weeks of training. Now, all it takes is one photo, one click. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Higgsfield Face Swap, show it in action with some real examples, and highlight why it's far ahead of every other face swap tool out there. The link is available in the description below. After creating an account, you'll arrive at the main interface, just like this. Click on Face Swap by Higgsfield. You'll see the instructions. Upload your photo, your source image, and upload a target photo, the face you want to swap in. Then upload your target photo. Click Face Swap for free. Within seconds, you'll get the generated image, high-resolution output, cross-style swapping, accurate lighting and grain preservation, and lightning-fast generation. The face is swapped immediately. Now, I'll expand on the extra options you'll find below the result. Upscale. You can upscale the image up to 8 times to improve sharpness and detail. Animate. Click Animate to bring the image to life with a single click. The platform generates motion automatically. Edit. Select Edit to draw a mask over parts of the photo you want to change. For example, draw a mask over the eyes, type the prompt, and hit Generate. When you generate from the Edit step, Higgsfield typically returns 4 different frames variations. Choose the one you like, then download it. Super easy. Additional features and conversions. You can convert the output into a video. You can also convert the image into a speaking character. Click Speak, enter the lines you want the character to say, then click Generate. The model will lip-sync the character with the audio automatically, and you can download the final speaking clip with one click. Now let's try another example. I'm uploading a photo and a target photo. After clicking on Face Swap, you can see the result. The target face has been transformed instantly. You can upscale it for better resolution or animate it to make it more engaging. Let's animate this photo. I'll give a simple prompt, choose a model, and click Generate. After a few seconds, you can see how cool this is. The realistic movements and natural-looking animation. You can easily download it right away. Let's try another one. This time, I'm uploading a photo and then a target photo. Click Face Swap. And here we go. The faces have been swapped instantly and beautifully. If you click on Edit again, you can draw a mask and give any custom prompt for actions or changes. You can then generate and download the new edited photo in just a few seconds. Let's try another one. Click Face Swap. And here we go. The faces have been swapped instantly and beautifully. Let's do another quick test. This time I will keep the source photo same and just upload a new target photo and hit Face Swap. And boom! Within seconds, the faces are swapped with perfect alignment and realistic details. It's truly an amazing AI-powered tool that delivers high-quality face swaps with speed and precision. Perfect for content creators, brand deal specialists, meme creators, and personal brand builders who want to create unique and engaging visuals in seconds. The link is available in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's talk about pricing. The basic plan starts from $9 per month. The Pro plan starts from $29 per month. The Ultimate plan costs $49 per month, offering 1,200 credits for concurrent generation and support for multiple models. The Creator plan is priced at $249 per month, giving you 6,000 credits per month for large-scale creative work. And if you pay annually, you can get it for as low as $17.40 per month, which makes it a great deal for long-term users. And that's everything you need to know about Higgsfield Face Swap, one of the most powerful AI tools out there right now. With just one click, you can swap faces, upscale images, animate characters, and even make them speak, all in seconds. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below. Try it out for yourself and start creating your own AI magic today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more awesome AI tools and tech reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.